Your ActivPanel LE comes equipped with the ability to customize your home screen and app shelf, giving you quick access to your favorite apps to better streamline your workflow. To get started, tap the Applications button. Scroll to the app you would like to add to your home screen or app shelf. To add it to the home screen, touch and drag the app to where you want it on the home screen. The home screen will highlight open slots that are available for you to place the app. Let go of the app to drop it into place. To add it to your app shelf, drag the app to the bottom of the screen and drop it into an open slot on the app shelf. Note that you can only have up to 6 apps pinned to your app shelf at a time. You can also drag any app on your home screen into the app shelf or from the app shelf to the home screen. To remove an app from your home screen or app shelf, long press the app and drag it to the top of your screen to the Remove button. The Remove button will highlight to show it's activated. Release the app to remove it. For a deeper dive into your ActivPanel LE and the settings you can find, enroll in our ActivPanel LE orientation at learn.prometheanworld.com.